everybody know about elephant and gentle giant. Again, you should know as well that not every elephant gonna be gentle and friendly with people. Again, and elephant not gonna trust stranger person that they never seen and never know before, and you should not trust them as well. Everywhere when you see elephant, the first thing that you have to do is stay away.
Vereyim mi? Dur vereceğim şimdi.
Uy çok şirin.
Ôi, đi đi nè.
Okay, get more food everyone. No food, no plate, huh?
Arkanı dönüyorsun.
Vereceğim mi yemek? Çamur banyosu. Onların çamur çok iyi geliyormuş onlara. Neyimizi çekiyoruz yani. Çamur banyosuna gideceğiz. Çamurla yıkanacaklar, temizlenecekler. Böceklerden korunacaklarmış. Sonra bir de havuzları var. Orada da çamurdan arınacak. İnanılmaz yemek yiyorlar. Olmuyor. Aha, bu da uyandı mesele. Do not stand behind. Yeah. Çap çap. Çarpsa çok korkunç.
Çocuk seni korkuturken kendi söylüyor. Olayıma geçti. Ya çok tatlı.
Bir tane de şurada var. Filleri bir güzel çamurluyorlar.
And everyone now, get ready. Now if someone wants to take off your t-shirt, now you put hand on the bamboo over there. And about your phone, you can log on to it. And you should also outside. outside here, huh? If you don't have water too, you can leave it outside here. Okay, 2 minutes, get ready. But if you want to wear, yes. No?
Must. Bok.
Oh. Pattaya Island. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make it. That's it. Nah, very easy. Now put the frame in the water and use the beach tight. Nah, if you don't want your frame moving and break the ball out in the frame. Now like this. And spank out. And make sure you don't see the hole in the frame. And you can do it in your home. Now if you have elephant, okay? But if you don't have elephant, don't try with dog food, it's not working, huh? Don't do that, everyone. And just leave it up. Now make sure and leave it up. We got the paper. This one to be the paper. And we dry about 3 or 4 hours. It depends on the sunshine. Now after 3 or 4 hours, now this one. Now from in the morning, this one. Now from the face. And don't try to do for toilet paper. It's hard, nah? Don't do that. Now this one you can do envelope, postcard, wallet, or frame. Now we can do. Now but do not do toilet paper. Now you can, if you want to try, you can take it back. Nah?